Okay, let's look at number 7, mainly focusing on the equation. Okay, we did this the other day. Okay, we have -2 plus 3x equals 10. Okay, I know the x is rearranged a little bit. The x is over in the middle instead of on the left side of the equation, but that doesn't matter. Okay, but you first want to look at something, find the number that's added or subtracted first. Okay, so you're focusing on x, and the number that's added or subtracted is the -2. Okay, to get rid of an added -2, okay, you could subtract it, but let's just add the opposite. Okay, the opposite of -2 is a +2. Okay, so I'm going to add a +2 to the left, and to balance it out, I'm going to add a +2 to the right. And I'll just go ahead and show you what we did before. Okay, so if I add 2 positives to the left, I got to add 2 positives to the right. And the 2 positives and 2 negatives cancel each other out on the left. Okay, so that leaves me with 3x on the left and 12 on the right. Looking at the visual. Okay, but even without the visual, a -2 plus a +2 cancel. Okay, so on the left side, we're left with a 3x. On the right-hand side, just looking at the equation, we have 10 plus 2. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, so now we have 3 times x is equal to 12. To get rid of a multiplied 3, we divide by 3 on both sides. Okay, so just focus on the equation. Okay, we got rid of the multiplied 3 by dividing by 3, both sides. On the left, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So the left side is 1x. Okay, 1x is just x. Okay, on the right-hand side, we have 12 divided by 3. You see that? It's just a computation thing here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, and if you really wanted to look again at the visual, we could split the 12 up into 3 equal groups. Try to go a little bit faster. Okay, if I split that up into 3 equal groups, I would have to make sets of 4. Trying to be a little bit faster. Okay, so each of those x's has to equal 4 because we split both sides up into 3 groups. Okay, real quickly, -2 plus 3x is equal to 10. To get rid of an added number, you could add its opposite. Subtracting would have worked, but we added the opposite. The opposite of a -2 is a +2. So add 2 to the left. We're left with 3x. Add 2 to the right. We have 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, then to get rid of the multiplied 3, we divide by 3. Okay, and on the right-hand side, 12 divided by 3 is 4.